இங்கிலீஷ்ல இவ்வளோ வேர்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் வந்து மெமரைஸ் பண்ணி அதை ரிதமோட பாடுறதுங்கிறது உண்மையிலே கியூட். கங்க்ராட்ஸ் சார்.
Good morning to all. I'm K.R. Shaini from grade 3B section Chettinad Public School, Karaikudi. Now I'm going to give a speech briefly about the Republic Day and the President of India. We know Republic Day is celebrated in India every year on January 26 with grandeur. Recently we have celebrated the 74th Republic Day of our country. Why do we celebrate January 26 as Republic Day? There is a history behind this that I want to share it with you now. That is, while our country got independence on August 15, 1947 from British, who ruled India over 200 years, India did not have its own constitution. Instead, Indian laws were based on Colonial Government of India Act 1935. It was under the constitutional monarchy of King George VI and Mountbatten as Governor General. Then, how the Indian Constitution was framed and came into effect is, in fact, the idea that India needed a constitution existed even before independence. That is, in 1934, M.N. Roy, who was one of the founders of Communist Party of India, first proposed a Constituent Assembly for making a constitution. Apart from this, one of the aim of Swaraj Party started by Motilal Nehru and C.R. Das in 1923 was to obtain the right to frame a constitution. After the year 1935, INC, that is Indian National Congress, took up this as an official demand. Moreover, Rajaji voiced this demand based on adult franchise in 1939. So, eventually in the year 1940, the British accepted the demand through its August offer made by Viceroy Lithgow, that is, Indians were allowed to draft an Indian constitution. Later, under the Cabinet Mission Plan, the members were elected indirectly and the Constituent Assembly was formed for writing a new constitution. That is, in 1946. In 2 weeks later, after independence, the Constituent Assembly set up a 7-member drafting committee under the chairmanship of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar to prepare a draft constitution for India. The committee worked hard and studied the features of various countries' constitution. It around 60 countries as well as the Government of India Act 1935. After a lot of hard work, the committee prepared a draft constitution and submitted to the assembly. After many deliberations and some modifications there, the constitution was finally adopted by the assembly on November 26, 1949. See, it took almost 3 years to complete the draft constitution by the assembly. That is, if we say exactly, it was 2 years, 11 months, 18 days. And January 26, which was the anniversary of Pune Swaraj Day, was chosen as the day to declare India as Sovereign Republic. On January 24, 1950, 2 copies of constitution were signed by the assembly members. One is English and another one is Hindi version. Then, after 2 days, the constitution came into effect on Republic Day, January 26, 1950. Dr. Rajendra Prasad took oath as first President of India. The Constituent Assembly became Provisional Parliament of India until the formation of new Parliament through general election. Since then, every year we celebrate January 26 to honor the date on which the Constitution came into effect in 1950. Our Constitution declares India a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, assuring its citizens of justice, equality and liberty, and endeavors to promote fraternity. Next, the President of India. The President of India is the head of the state of the Republic of India. He is the first citizen of India. Since the year 1950, there have been 15 people sworn into office as President of India. There, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, Dr. Zahir Hussain, V.V. Giri, Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed, Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy, Gyani Jail Singh, R. Venkatraman, Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma, K.R. Narayanan, Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam, Pratibha Patil, Pranab Mukherjee, Ramnath Kovind and Draupadi Murmu. Draupadi Murmu was the 15th President of India, as well as the current President of India. Apart from this, V.V. Giri, Justice Mohammad Hidayatullah and V.D. Jatti. That they served as acting President of India in a short period of time. Thank you.
நாட் அ ஸ்பீச். இது வந்து ஆக்சுவலா ஸ்பீச் கிடையாது. என்ன இது லெக்டம், ஒரு லெக்சரே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க இந்தியன் பாலிட்டியில, இந்த இந்தியன் ஃப்ரேமிங் ஆஃப் இந்தியன் கான்ஸ்டிடியூஷனா இருக்கட்டும். ஸோ ஒய் வி செலிப்ரேட் January 26 as a ரிபப்ளிக் டே அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி. அது ரொம்ப கியூட்டான விஷயம் என்ன தெரியுமா, அந்த டேட்டு, அந்த இயரு, அதுவும் இந்த ஆர்டர். இப்போ நம்ம சொல்றோம்ல, இப்போ ஜான்வரி அப்படிங்கிறது நம்பர் 1 அப்படிங்கிற ராஜேந்திர பிரசாத்ல இருந்து சர்வப்பள்ளி ராதாகிருஷ்ணன் தொடங்கி, சரியா, அதுல இடையில யார் ஆபீஸ்ல இருக்கும்போது இறந்தா அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கேள்வி கேட்கிறேமா, ஏகப்பட்ட விஷயத்த இந்தியன் பாலிட்டியை பொறுத்தவரை January 26ல என்னென்ன முக்கியமான நிகழ்வுகள் எல்லாமே நடந்திருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லக்கூடியது. சரியா? ஸோ ஷைனிக்கு ஒன்ஸ் அகைன் அது நல்ல ஒரு அப்ளாஸ் கொடுங்க. யூ ஹேவ் அ பிரைட் ஃபியூச்சர். நல்ல ஒரு பிரைட் ஃபியூச்சர் அப்படிங்கிறது இருக்கு. தமிழ் பேசுறியா?